Hi, my name is Patrick, and we have here Jessica, our 4-month-old. She's a happy, healthy baby. And, after about a week, we realized that Jessica needed a substitute for breast milk. My wife, Yani, she couldn't produce enough, so we tried Enfamil A plus, and we went into the Enfamil A plus starter program, and well, now she's a healthy 12 pounds 7 ounces baby, and we would never look back. The formula is as close as it gets to breast milk, and we're very happy with it. So I do recommend to anyone that would need a substitute to try Enfamil A plus.